Closing costs usually amounts to 3% to 6% of the mortgage. So for example, a $450,000 mortgage could mean $13,000 to $27,000 in closing fees. In Texas, homebuyers pay an average of $4,548 in closing costs. The average transfer tax in Texas are zero, which means no transfer tax is included. Texas closing expenses are mostly lender and administrative fees.